What's up? I got another Matco haul. I've already got like 3 in a row, and I'm gonna try to buy something from someone else next time. But still got one thing on back order, but got 4 things today. Start out with mechanic gloves. I like the skeleton look, and they're made pretty well. Cheap too. They were $16.90. $16.90. There's the part number. Get these online if you don't have a dealer. Alright. Something little. If I could open it. Just a little magnet. I think it picks up 2.5 pounds. Yeah. Never have enough of them. And the part number. And it was $12. Right. Go ahead and show the part number. This is the 12-inch 3/8 drive flex head. This runs for about $190. I already had the chrome one, but liked this one better, so got rid of it. Switched it over. One of the best ratchets there is, in my opinion. Then, last of all, this bad boy, a FR88P. The pink ratchet for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is a 1/4 inch. They come in a pair, but I didn't want both of them because they weren't flex head, but don't have a 1/4 inch Matco, so now I do. Don't know how much I'll use it, but I don't care to use a pink ratchet. Those run for $102, and I think if you get the set, it's like a little over $200. Yeah. If you want to pick any of these up, you can get them off the website if you don't have a dealer. You can even call an order. But thanks, subscribe.